Greetings everyone, I am Gibbon, and this is Discover the World Together. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey to Ukraine, the largest country entirely within Europe. Nestled in the heart of Eastern Europe, Ukraine boasts an intriguing blend of history and culture. From its ancient roots to its modern-day vibrancy, Ukraine is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be told. In this video, we will explore the rich history of this country, its vibrant culture, and the breathtaking landscapes that make it so unique. We will also delve into the modern Ukraine, a country that is rapidly evolving while still holding on to its deep-rooted traditions. Ukraine, a land of golden domes and ancient castles, of vast plains and mighty rivers, of hearty foods and warm-hearted people, is a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity and the beauty of our shared world. So, buckle up as we dive into the diverse, vibrant and rich history and culture of Ukraine. Ukraine, a land with a history as deep and rich as its fertile black soil. A nation that has seen the rise and fall of empires. The story of Ukraine begins over 1,000 years ago with the early Slavic tribes. These tribes, known for their warrior spirit and rich oral tradition, laid the cultural foundation for what would become modern Ukraine. They established Kyiv, one of the oldest cities in Eastern Europe, which served as a vital center of trade and culture. The Middle Ages brought a period of grandeur and glory. The Kievan Rus, considered the first East Slavic state, emerged as a powerful entity. It was during this time that Ukraine adopted Christianity, a decision that forever intertwined the nation's identity with the faith. However, the prosperity of the Kievan Rus was short-lived. The Mongol invasion in the 13th century led to its downfall, heralding a time of strife and foreign domination. The Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth and later the Russian Empire sought to exert their influence over Ukraine, leading to centuries of conflict and resistance. Fast forward to the 20th century, Ukraine, having endured the horrors of 2 world wars and the man-made famine known as Holodomor, finally gained its independence in 1991. This was a pivotal moment, marking the birth of a new nation determined to carve out its own destiny. But history is not just about grand events and epic battles. It's also about the ordinary people who lived through these times, their hopes, their struggles, and their triumphs. The Ukrainian people, with their indomitable spirit, have managed to preserve their language, their traditions, and their identity, despite the many challenges they've faced. Through it all, Ukraine's history has been a tale of resilience. It's a tale of a people who, despite the odds, have managed to keep their culture alive and thriving. This resilience is reflected in everything from their vibrant folk music and dances to their traditional cuisine and crafts. Ukraine's history is a testament to its resilience and spirit, shaping its unique cultural identity. Beyond history, Ukraine is a melting pot of vibrant cultures, traditions, and folklores. Now let's delve into the rich tapestry that is Ukrainian culture, a beautiful blend of East and West that's as diverse as it is captivating. First, let's talk about language. Ukraine is primarily a Ukrainian-speaking nation, but it's not uncommon to hear a mix of languages on the streets, a testament to the country's multicultural heritage. From the lyrical tones of Ukrainian to the rhythmic cadence of Russian and even a smattering of Polish, Romanian, and Hungarian, Ukraine is truly a linguistic symphony. Moving from words to music, Ukrainian folk music is a delightful blend of powerful vocals and traditional instruments. The bandura, a string instrument resembling a lute, is often at the heart of these melodies. And let's not forget the hopak, a traditional Ukrainian dance that's as energetic as it is symbolic, encapsulating the spirit of the Ukrainian people. Speaking of spirit, Ukrainians love to celebrate, and they do so with an array of vibrant festivals. From the colorful Pisanka festival, where locals showcase intricately painted Easter eggs, to the lively Ivana Kupala Day, marking the summer solstice with bonfires and traditional rituals. Every event is a celebration of life and heritage. And what's a celebration without food? Ukrainian cuisine is a hearty mix of flavors, with signature dishes like borscht, a beetroot soup, and vareniki, delicious dumplings filled with everything from potato to cherries. These dishes, often shared at communal tables, are a testament to the Ukrainian tradition of hospitality. But more than the music, the food, or the festivals, it's the people who truly define Ukrainian culture. Their resilience, their strength, and their unwavering spirit are a testament to their rich history and diverse heritage. From the cobblestone streets of Lviv to the bustling cityscape of Kyiv, the vibrancy and warmth of the Ukrainian people is palpable. Indeed, Ukraine's culture is a colorful tapestry woven with threads of history, diversity, and resilience. It's a culture that invites you to participate, to learn, to share, and most importantly, to celebrate the spirit of Ukraine. Ukraine's charm does not end with its history and culture. It extends to its breathtaking landscapes and natural beauty. This Eastern European gem is a canvas of diverse landscapes that seamlessly weave together to form a picture of unparalleled beauty. Let's start with the Carpathian Mountains, a rugged and wild range that stretches across the western part of Ukraine. These mountains are not just a treat for the eyes, but they are also a haven for adventure seekers. Picture this: emerald green forests cascading down the mountainside, punctuated by glistening streams and rustic villages. The Carpathians are a living testament to the untamed beauty that Ukraine boasts. Moving east, we come across the vast Ukrainian steppes, a stark contrast to the Carpathians. These endless grasslands, dotted with sunflowers and wheat fields, stretch as far as the eye can see. The steppes are not just beautiful to look at, they are the beating heart of Ukraine, supplying the country with its rich agricultural bounty. Let's not forget the Black Sea coast, a serene and picturesque coastline that offers a tranquil respite from the bustling cities. Imagine the gentle lapping of the waves against the pebbled shore, the sun casting a golden glow on the azure waters, and the faint smell of salt in the air. This is the perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of nature. Then we have the unique biosphere reserves like the Danube Delta and the Ascania Nova. These reserves are home to an array of wildlife and plant species, making them a paradise for nature enthusiasts. They are a testament to Ukraine's commitment to preserving its rich biodiversity. Each of these landscapes tells a different story, each with its own charm and allure. They are as varied as they are stunning, offering something for everyone. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or someone seeking solace in the arms of Mother Nature, Ukraine's landscapes will not disappoint. From towering mountains to serene coastlines, Ukraine's landscapes are as diverse as they are beautiful. While Ukraine cherishes its past, it is no stranger to the present. The country is a dynamic blend of old and new. Ukraine's modern face is just as compelling as its historical tapestry. Its cities, a bustling hub of activity, are a testament to the country's economic prowess. Kyiv, the capital, is a vibrant metropolis with a thriving business scene and a bustling nightlife. It's not just all about work though, as the city is also known for its burgeoning arts scene and its dedication to preserving its rich cultural heritage. Then there's Lviv, often referred to as the cultural capital of Ukraine. This city is a haven for creative minds with a lively tech scene and some of the best universities in Eastern Europe. It's a city where the old meets the new, where cobblestone streets run alongside sleek skyscrapers. The Ukrainian economy, once predominantly agricultural, has diversified over the years. Today, it is a significant player in several industries, including technology, manufacturing, and energy production. Ukraine is one of the world's leading grain producers and is also home to some of the largest tech companies in Eastern Europe. Education in Ukraine is a top priority, and it shows. A high literacy rate and a strong emphasis on science and technology education have helped the country produce some of the world's leading scientists, engineers, and mathematicians. Ukraine's universities are renowned for their rigorous academic programs and their significant contributions to research and development. Ukraine's technological landscape is equally impressive. The country has a robust IT industry with a growing number of tech startups making waves globally. Ukraine is also making strides in space technology with its contribution to satellite development and launch services. But it's not just about the economy, education, and technology. Ukraine's modern culture is rich and diverse with a thriving music scene, world-class cuisine, and a deep appreciation for the arts. Ukraine, a nation firmly rooted in its past, yet reaching for the stars. This is the modern Ukraine, a country that is as much about its future as it is about its past. So there you have it, a glimpse into the beautiful country that is Ukraine. We've journeyed together through the pages of Ukraine's rich history, from its ancient roots to its powerful role in world events. We've immersed ourselves in the vibrant culture, a captivating blend of tradition and innovation that pulses with life in every corner of the country. We've marveled at the breathtaking landscapes from the majestic Carpathian Mountains to the serene beaches of the Black Sea. And we've seen the dynamic face of modern Ukraine, a country that's embracing the future while honoring its past. Let's not forget the fascinating facts we've learned about each place. These are the threads that weave together the intricate tapestry of Ukraine, a tapestry that tells a story of resilience, diversity, and unyielding spirit. From its rich history to vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and modern dynamism, Ukraine is truly a treasure worth discovering. Until next time, this is Jibon from Discover the World Together, signing off.